Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
CNN's Alisyn Camerota marked her final day as co-host of New Day on Tuesday before she moves to weekday afternoons with Victor Blackwell. Morning news is more than news, in particular over the last year with all of the craziness, said Lewis.
Let's help you make your mark.
Brianna Keilar. Alisyn Camerota will be leaving the morning shift to host CNN's Newsroom from 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern each day, with co-anchor Victor Blackwell, who has been a regular on CNN's weekend schedule. She will be replaced on New Day from 6 to 9 a.m. by Brianna Keilar, who had been working in the early afternoon.
Take our lead.
Brooke Baldwin. After 13 years at CNN, Brooke Baldwin says she has to walk away from the job to be the bravest version of herself. Baldwin announced her personal news in February during her afternoon show that she would be stepping away from news and would be leaving the cable news network in April.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.